done, but it's in my bag, and I don't want to go back in the office. I forgot my shades, and I'm in the sun. As you can see, this is a quick one. I'm gonna do 30 minutes because I'm already 15 minutes out of my lunch. I get an hour lunch. Oh, God, it's so good. I used to get 30 minutes. That's no longer me. Mm. My lunch is actually jerk chicken with veggies and rice. Can you see? But this jerk chicken is so hot, I'm afraid of it. So I added some piscato bread. It's made with tomato and basil. It's like a pizza. So I'm trying to eat the jerk chicken with bread, with everything, to see if it won't be that hot. But it's so spicy. Oh my goodness. Hmm. How you all doing today? Only nice people can come in at the lunch. If you're not kind, if you're not sweet, if you're not peaceful, don't come here. Don't come over here. Hana your yard. It's lunchtime. Just lunchtime. And catching up with you all. Guys, this chicken is so spicy, I'm afraid of it. Let me see what I took. I think it's a breast. It sure is a breast. Oh my God. I need a wing. It's so spicy. Just touching it is enough. Spicy food, man. This is a pop-up lunch live, 30 minutes. So if you missed it, you're luck. You get to watch the replay, and don't forget to support the live by watching the full. Don't press on it if you don't want to watch the full thing. Do not press on it unless you're gonna watch the whole thing. Yeah, so I'm eating, this is jerk chicken, but it's so spicy. I gotta put other things with it to get some of the spice off. It's so hot. Look, this is turkey bacon. I mean turkey ham. So I'm rubbing it on the jerk chicken. Not bad. Hi, Sports Clips. How you doing? I'm trying to eat this jerk chicken, but I'm getting rid of some of the spice. You see the jerk chicken? That's it right here. It's a chicken breast. It's thank you, Sports Clip. It's jerk chicken with mixed veggies and some rice for lunch, and this bread is like a pizza bread. I don't eat pizza, so it's the bread without the sauce. I sure eat the bread though. My tummy look like the bread. I'm so bad. Thank you. So here's the rice with a mixed veggie. Mm. The spice from the chicken is so hot. Oh my God, guys. This is hot. It's so hot. Oh, I'm on fire. Want to see where I am? Ta-da! That's where I am. The beach. The beach. I'm at the beach having lunch. hmm This is the view I have every day for lunch. All day. What's wrong if your friend is gay? That's nothing is bad with that. Oh, thank you so much, William. Please, I appreciate the love. Oh my God. William, please, that's so kind of you. You know, I normally don't get hearts. And I think those hearts are like, they're like what, a penny or 99 cents? I normally don't get anything, super chat or anything. That's so kind of you. Guys, make sure you go over to William Plays and tell him thank you, or her. Tell them thank you for making Two Princess smile. I know. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you for the good fortune. I normally don't get those. It's like a miracle. Thank you. I appreciate you, William Plays. Guys, check out William Plays for me. That's so kind of William Plays, guys. Much love. You want to see the chicken breast? Here's the chicken breast. Yummy. It's good. It's yummy. But the spice is fire. Yeah, that's the beach, guys. You get to see the beach. You get to see the beach while I eat this jerk chicken. Guys, please spread some love. I'm so thankful. William Plays, I appreciate you. I thank you so much. Thank you so, so much for being kind. I hope you have subscribed. Thank you. Thank you. This is a surprise lunch for you guys. I normally don't go live at lunch, but I miss you all. And I'm feeling great. I'm feeling at peace. I'm feeling love. Look at this beach, guys. Forget about looking at me. Look at the beach. Who's cold today? Are you cold? Because a lot of places are cold. They're cold. Look at the beach. You want to see the beach? That's the beach. I don't know what's happening. Police is here. I don't know where they're going. See, this part is not spicy. It's just a soft and juicy. But the top part, that brown part, on fire. Look at me taking a deep breath. Mm. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Mhm. Thank you so much. Guys, did you see William's play? Actually, that's my daughter's name, her married name, Williams. hmm So shout out to Williams Play. Yeah. Jesus. Amen. Yes, you're from Arizona. Did you hear about the lady that they kidnapped in Arizona? What's going on in Arizona? Why would they kidnap an 89-year-old lady? Some people said it's the William Play. Is William Play for real? I gotta check out William Play. William Play. Oh my goodness. William Play. Oh, nice. Thank you so much. Why are they kidnapping 89-year-old in Arizona? That's just bizarre. Poor lady. I hope she's alive. They said it's close to the border, so it could be like the cartels. But what the cartels want to do with an 89-year-old woman? Do you really think so? I think it's some family feud or something. I trust no one when it comes on to these things because she's 89 and maybe they don't want to tell us, but maybe another family member thinks she belongs to them, she should live with them, and they take her. I don't know. I don't know what's the story, but it's scary. This is why I emphasize plan ahead. We all are gonna age. We all are gonna We have one destination in life. Plan ahead, because when you become an elder, you become a child again. And this lady's 80 something year old in her house, in her sleep. She's like a baby again, and someone kidnapped her. So plan ahead, be careful who you're going to be around, because you're a child again, and some of the adults won't be kind. You know, they won't be. It's sad, because as you are aware, if you are a subscriber, you would know my own dad was exploited. And when I found him, I didn't care about what they did, what they have and stuff. Just give me my dad. So, this is a serious situation. When you become an elder, it's scary, guys. So protect yourself, plan ahead, know where you are, know who you're around. Don't be vulnerable and speaking to people who you don't need to speak to. Because I know you hear of exploitation with seniors on the phone, telling them that they won the lotto and stuff. You just don't know. So, yep. Yep, my dad was exploited. He was hidden from us. And it took God for us to find him. So I know what it is to have a loved one that's vulnerable. And I remember the words from the detective when she read the case. She said, "You're lucky he's alive." She said she joined the force because of what happened to her granddad, who was also exploited and mistreated. He didn't get any medication or anything. So when you become an elder, be careful. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I'm not a fashionista, and I don't really dress up. So I appreciate the compliment, because my mom, even yesterday, I got home, she's like, "You need to fix your clothes. Your clothes is hanging off you." So, so I'm not that fashionista. I just follow my spirit. Yeah. That's weird. Okay. Yeah. This is really spicy. So be careful, guys. Yeah, because that poor lady, I just hope she's alive. They have really mean people here in this world. Why would you kidnap an 89-year-old? It has to be something with exploitation. Has to be. Has to be. The chicken is very moist. It's very good. It's moist. It's just on fire. Want to see the beach again? One love, one heart. Oh, you know what I want to say too? If you see an elderly, speak to them. Say, "Hi, how you doing?" Because that elder person might be kidnapped, might be mistreated. Just say hi to them, like how you would say hi to minor because you never know. Say hi to them. Observe the people that are around elderly. Observe them because some of your family are not true family. I'm so thankful. William Plays is so kind. I'm not used to getting these super chats. I'm just like amazed by all these super chats. I'm amazed. I just want to thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm not used to it. I'm not used to it, guys. I'm definitely not. Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you. I'm so amazed. Hope you like the beach. Are you cold where you are? Because most places are cold. California. California there. California. Nope, Florida is cold right now. I heard Florida is having a cold front. Even Jamaica is having a cold front, guys. People in Jamaica are wearing sweaters right now. Hmm? Yeah, people in Jamaica are wearing sweaters. I spoke to my cousin in Jamaica and she's like, "Cuz it's so cold, it's like ice." They don't know what to do. Oh, wow. You gotta relocate. I don't know how New Yorkers do it. There's no way I would live in New York. I go to New York during the summer, but to live? Nope, we're not doing it. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I went there one Thanksgiving, I almost died. My bones was just freezing. Let me see if I can show you the people that's enjoying the beach. You see them? They're enjoying the beach. Don't let them scare you about California. California is a beautiful state. This is how great we are. Take a trip. I'm so sorry. 13 degrees? No. No, thank you. 18 inches of snow? Oh, no, thank you. Nope. We are not doing it. Come on, jump on the plane. Visit California. The beautiful California. You see it? Come on. Don't you love California? I'm trying to warm you guys up. This is my gift to you guys. Well, gonna cut this live real short because I have to wash my container and all that stuff before I go back. hmm Don't you love the beach? Join us in California. If you're cold right now, use your PTO. Use your PTO. This is a beautiful California. You know that song? California knows how to party. See the people on the beach? Well, I'll see you guys on the next live, everyone. I just want to thank you for being here. I hope you subscribe. I hope you give a thumbs up. It's free to subscribe. It's free to give a thumbs up. I appreciate you, and I hope I made your day with the view of the beach. If I haven't, I hope I do the next time. All right. So peace and love. Let's thank Williams Play again from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank you. Peace and love. I just want to thank you.